Did you know that DJI might be on the verge of changing the entire drone market all over again? This is not just about a small yearly update or one flashy feature to hype up the crowd. We are talking about a drone that could improve almost every single aspect of aerial filmmaking at once. That is exactly why so many creators, travel vloggers, and drone fans are paying close attention to the latest Mini 6 Pro rumors. If these leaks turn out to be true, DJI may be working on its most powerful mini drone in history. For anyone who makes content on the go, this could be a massive turning point. Over the last few weeks, several reliable industry insiders have hinted that DJI has already started internal testing for what many believe is the Mini 6 Pro. Of course, nothing is official yet, and keeping that in mind is very important. DJI has not confirmed the existence of this drone. However, when supply chain reports, internal testing rumors, and standard product cycle patterns all start pointing in the exact same direction, people naturally pay attention. DJI usually follows a very familiar path before a big release. First comes internal testing behind closed doors. Then we see official certification filings, and finally, a launch begins to take real shape. That is why even these early leaks carry so much weight. They show us what DJI is trying to build next, and where the whole lineup may be heading in the near future. What makes this specific rumor far more exciting than usual is not just the simple idea of a new mini drone. It is the sheer scale of the rumored upgrades. In the past, each new mini model focused on polishing one or two major areas. The Mini 3 Pro gave us a larger camera sensor and brought serious image quality to a compact body. The Mini 4 Pro pushed things even further by introducing omnidirectional obstacle sensing and much stronger subject tracking. But the rumored Mini 6 Pro sounds completely different. Instead of just tweaking a single feature, DJI may be completely redesigning the entire user experience from the ground up. That means camera quality, autofocus speed, low light performance, AI flight capabilities, overall battery life, and signal stability could all leap forward together. That is what makes this rumor feel so much bigger than a standard refresh. If DJI actually delivers all of these upgrades in a single aircraft, it could easily be the most meaningful mini drone release we have ever seen. The biggest talking point right now is clearly the camera system. Some leaks suggest DJI may use a stacked CMOS sensor instead of the traditional sensor design seen in earlier mini drones. That might sound like heavy technical jargon, but the real-world benefits are very simple to understand. A stacked sensor reads data at blistering speeds. Faster data readout results in smoother motion capture, less rolling shutter distortion, lightning-fast autofocus, and much cleaner footage when shooting in tricky lighting conditions. This exact technology is already used in high-end mirrorless cameras and flagship smartphones for a reason. It allows the camera to react instantly and capture far more usable detail. For drone pilots, that translates to sharper action shots, reliable subject tracking, and complete confidence when filming fast-moving scenes or rapidly changing light. Then there is the thrilling 6K video rumor. This is the exact kind of spec that immediately gets video editors and content creators hyped up. A lot of people still publish their final videos in 4K, and that is completely fine. However, shooting native 6K footage gives editors incredible flexibility inside their editing software. You can crop into a frame without losing crisp details. You can apply heavy digital stabilization without sacrificing quality. You can completely reframe a shot for vertical platforms and still keep a high-resolution image. It also makes your content completely future-proof. If DJI pairs 6K recording with improved HDR and wider dynamic range, the Mini 6 Pro will become an absolute beast for landscape photography, travel films, cinematic cityscapes, and golden hour sunset shots. Highlights will hold their detail better, shadows will look cleaner, and high-contrast scenes with bright skies and dark ground will be far easier to capture cleanly. For a drone that sits squarely in the sub-250-gram class, that is a huge leap forward. Another major game changer is the rumored mechanical variable aperture. This might not sound as flashy as 6K video at first glance, but for serious filmmakers, it could easily become the single most valuable upgrade on the drone. Most mini drones rely on a fixed aperture lens. That means whenever the ambient light changes, you are forced to land the drone, snap on physical ND filters, and take off again just to control your exposure and shutter speed. A built-in mechanical variable aperture solves this problem completely right inside the camera setting. You can open up or close down the lens aperture on the fly as cloud cover shifts, or as the sun dips below the horizon. That gives you seamless control during sunrise, sunset, and rapidly changing outdoor conditions. It grants creators exact control over natural motion blur and overall exposure without forcing them to boost the ISO or ruin their shot. If DJI actually manages to engineer a working mechanical aperture into a body that stays under 250 grams, it will be a true engineering miracle. Battery life is another crucial area where the Mini 6 Pro could make a massive splash. Industry rumors suggest DJI might make the switch to high-density silicon anode battery technology. If that proves true, the drone will be able to store significantly more energy without increasing the physical size or weight of the battery pack. In simple terms, you get drastically longer flight times without paying a heavy weight penalty. Some insiders even claim that maximum flight times could approach an astonishing 50 minutes on a single charge. Of course, real-world flying conditions are always a bit different. Gusty winds, cold temperatures, fast flight speeds, and continuous obstacle sensing all drain power faster. But even if real-world flights land closer to 40 minutes, that is still a monumental victory for creators. Longer flight times mean fewer annoying interruptions in the middle of a shoot. It means fewer battery swaps, less stress, and way more time to wait for the perfect light, retake a complex cinematic shot, or safely explore a vast location without constantly worrying about a low battery warning. For solo filmmakers and travel creators, that extra flight time is worth more than almost any other spec on paper. The smart AI flight upgrades are equally impressive. DJI already features some of the best tracking technology in the industry, but leaks suggest the Mini 6 Pro will introduce advanced predictive AI tracking. Instead of simply reacting to where a subject is moving in real time, the drone will actively predict where the subject is going next. That will make a huge difference when filming fast runners, mountain bikers, moving cars, or athletes making sharp, unpredictable turns. If your subject briefly passes behind a thick tree, goes around a building corner, or temporarily leaves the frame, smarter predictive tracking will help the drone hold its path and reacquire the target smoothly instead of immediately giving up and stopping in midair. That turns the Mini 6 Pro from a basic flying camera into a truly intelligent secondary camera operator that understands natural human motion. Nighttime performance is also set to get a massive boost. Improved low-light imaging algorithms, faster sensor readouts, and upgraded low-light obstacle sensors will all work in harmony to make night flying safer and more productive. Naturally, responsible flying and local aviation rules always take priority, especially after dark. But having upgraded night sensors means evening and night shoots will feel far less stressful for the pilot. Glowing city skylines, vibrant street lights, traffic trails, and late twilight scenes will become much easier to capture with total confidence and crystal-clear visual quality. By upgrading both the primary camera and the safety obstacle systems at the same time, DJI is turning this mini aircraft into a completely rounded, professional creative tool. In my opinion, this is easily one of the most exciting drone rumors we have seen in years, because it does not feel like a lazy incremental update. It looks like DJI is actively trying to turn their entry-level weight class into a true flagship powerhouse. You get a smarter aircraft, a drastically superior camera sensor, incredible low-light capability, longer flight times, and professional-grade creative controls, all packed into a tiny body that avoids heavy drone regulations in most regions. If even a portion of these leaks turn out to be true, the Mini 6 Pro will easily be the ultimate choice for creators who demand professional power without carrying heavy gear bags. If you liked the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest tech updates and news.